My window is so tacky. Oh well. Alright, hello, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you saw the title, you saw that this is an after Christmas haul. I hope you aren't expecting anything crazy because everything was gone. Christmas was on Wednesday, so I'm assuming a lot of people went shopping on that Thursday. I didn't get to the stores until Sunday. I know, we've been lazy, whatever. Like, I don't even think I left the house for 2 days after Christmas. Anyways, so I wanted to hit Kirkland's because I've heard that like after Christmas you can get some really cute stuff there. Yeah, they had nothing. They had like a little table of stuff and there was nothing. So I was like, okay, I'll go to Michael's because I'm looking for stuff for a giveaway as well. And I did find some stuff at Michael's. And then I went to Joann's, and Joann's was probably my favorite. They were, don't get me wrong, they were pretty picked over, but they did have quite a few items that I think will be useful, and they had a really good sale. It was 70% off plus another 20 after that. So everything was super, super inexpensive. And I did hit Dollar Tree because I have a couple DIYs in my head, so I wanted to get a couple items for that too. So, all right, let's get into it. We're gonna start with Michael's. So they were really picked over. They didn't have a ton of stuff, but they did have some stuff for the kiddos. So I did get a couple items that these are actually gonna be for Christmas next year. I mean, look at that, I'm actually on top of it. I was so behind this year, so I figure I'm gonna start planning way ahead. So the first thing I got, this was on sale for about, I think it was $5. So it is just a little, my girls are in the other room, so I don't want them to hear me. But it's just like a little reindeer that they can color and then they can sit in it. So I thought that they would love this. We used to buy the Michael sells little gingerbread houses that like they can go inside of and they color them and they just love those. Well, they didn't have any of those left over, but I thought this one would be really cute. They love the coloring part, and then I'm sure they'll fight over it and it'll be broken, but that's okay. So Michael's had quite a few like Advent, well, not really Advent calendars, but they were like 12 days of something or other. They had like 12 days of socks, and I almost got them, but it said girls, and I didn't know if it was like girls or like my kids' girls, and I didn't want to buy something that wouldn't fit them, and I definitely do not need socks. So I didn't get those, but they were really cute. So I did find these are 12 days of gifts, and it's just, you get 12 little things that they get to open, and it says on the back, like there's a bouncy ball, a gel pen, stickers, erasers, a mini spring. I don't really know what that is. Notepad, tattoo, and a hopping frog. And I want to say, let's see, I don't remember how much these came out to, but they had to have been like a couple bucks. So I got 2 of these, one for each girl. They enjoy opening this stuff. All right, what else did I get from Michael? Oh, I got this. So I know that this is kind of Christmassy, but I think I'm going to keep this stuff up through like until spring. So I'm going to be redoing my hutch, my big hutch. So originally I bought that thing off of Facebook Marketplace, and originally I did a whole makeover. I was going to do a nice video for you guys on it, and shocker, I never did. So I am going to make a video of how I'm going to decorate it. I'm going to show you guys like how I painted it and everything and what I did to it. So that'll all be one video, but I bought these to go in it. This is kind of going to be the theme. So these were, I mean, I guess they're considered holiday, Christmas, yeah. But so I had the red and black in my dining room and kitchen, but I think the black and white is, it's not just for Christmas. So I'm going to kind of do a black and white theme in my hutch. So I thought that these would be really cute. And these came out to like $1 or $2. And they're plastic, so I won't have to worry about breaking them. That's it from Michael's. So let's move on to Joanne. So they had a ton of these little Christmas trees. And let's see, yeah, they had a ton of these little Christmas trees. I got these little ones, and then I got And then I got a big one as well. I thought that I could do something with these for my crafts for next year because I was having a hard time finding them this Christmas at Dollar Tree. And let's see, these were originally $3.99, and I want to say they came out to be 95 cents. That's awesome. So yeah, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. I didn't buy much, you guys. I hope you're not expecting a huge haul, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did find. So they did have this ribbon. All of their ribbon is on sale right now, and I just got it in this black and white checkered because, like I said, I'm going to do my hutch. And this was originally $10, so it came out to like, I think it was like 2 something. And it's got the wire in it, and I just thought that that was really pretty. But they have a ton of ribbon left, so if you guys are looking for ribbon, they do have a lot of that left. They do have a lot of ornaments, wrapping paper. They have a lot of wrapping paper. Okay, the next thing, this is, I think this is the most expensive thing I bought. These are little shatterproof little lanterns, and I think they light up. These were originally $19.99, I think. Hard to get stuff out. I don't think these light up. I don't know, but look how cute that is. I thought these were so adorable. I could do some projects with these. I can't believe these were originally $20. That's kind of ridiculous, but I thought that I could do some really cute projects with these. I have no idea what yet, but I liked these, and they're supposed to be just ornaments, so came in a 3-pack. These next 2 items do light up, and they're really cute. So they had a ton of wood, craft wood things, like stuff that you can paint. So the first one I got is this one right here. This is so cute. It's just a little shadow box. And, oh yeah, oh, there's no battery. I'm gonna go get batteries and show you guys. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. This one is so cute. Snowy scene with the house, and oh my gosh, that is so cute. So yeah, it's a shadow box like that. And I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it or if I'm going to let the girls paint them. Thought that might be fun too. I got 2 of them. So then here is this other one. Oh, and this is a different battery. So yeah, that one says Old Fashioned Sleigh Rides. I thought that one was so cute, and it's got the little galvanized house. I just loved that one. This one was originally $14.99, so I thought these were so cute. One more things in here. Oh yeah, so I did buy one of these little storage jars. If you guys watched my last video, I did a Simply Earth essential oil unboxing, and there's a body butter in there that I'm gonna make, and I needed a little container, so I got this. It was only $1. So yeah, this just happened to be like in one of the bins when I was getting ready to leave, and I was like, oh, I need that. And then I found these cute little bows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And I thought these would be cute. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but like I said, my kitchen and my dining room is this pattern now for Christmas time, so I figured I could do something with these. And they were like $2, so I couldn't pass that. Okay, the last 2 things from Joann's, I got wrapping paper. So these were, how much were these? Originally 10. So yeah, they came out to be like $2.39 or something, but I thought this was adorable. It had the little car and the trees. I thought that these were so cute. I love that little station wagon. Reminds me, oh, and there's a dog in there. It reminds me of Christmas Vacation, the station wagon. This one, it is Santa being flown by unicorns, and I just figured my girls would absolutely love this paper. So I haven't opened it or anything. I'm not sure if it's like thick or good quality, but it was a good price, so fingers crossed that it is decent quality. Okay, so these last couple bags are just from Dollar Tree. I went in there just to kind of see what they had. They did have their Christmas stuff 50% off, which is so funny to think, like, it's 50 cents. But yeah, they didn't have much, mostly like candy and stuff like that. They did have their Valentine's stuff out, and I'm not ready for that. I have a couple projects in mind that I want to do. So I got a little coffee mug, and it's not going to stay this color. I just liked the shape of it, and yeah, I just liked how that one looked. It's not going to stay this color either. And it's just a little clear bowl. And I have a project in mind for this too. It may have something to do with the hutch. I don't know. Maybe. Oh yeah, I didn't get much. I picked up some permanent markers. They have Sharpies there, but they didn't have black, and I really just wanted black, so I got this 4-pack. Hopefully these work good. It says permanent markers. We shall see. And then I got a couple sets of doilies. Never in my life, Mom, if you're watching this, can you believe I bought doilies? Never in my life did I imagine buying doilies. Between my mom and my grandma, they probably had like 100, and I would make fun of them. And now I'm here, almost 40 years old, buying doilies. And then I just picked up some roses. I thought these were so pretty. I really liked this color. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like a cream color. In the store, it looked more pink. On the viewfinder, it looks white. But I thought these were really pretty, and I have an idea in mind for these as well. So that is it, you guys. I'm sorry if you were expecting a really cool, fun after Christmas haul, but I waited too long. Did you guys make it to any stores? Did you find anything cool before everyone bought it all? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you on my next one. Oh, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Forgot to say that in my last video because it's been so long. Anywho, I hope you guys have a great one, and we'll see you all soon. Bye! Doilies. Doilies. Isn't that a funny word? Doily.